Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here and spending a few minutes of your day watching one of my videos. I hope that you're having a great day and I hope that your summer is going really well so far. Even though it's summer, I feel like I've been seeing so many posts over the last few days about how people are excited for the fall season, like pumpkin spice and the leaves changing, the cooler weather, especially because it has been so hot, and then just like Halloween, everything fall related. As much as I love summer, I'm definitely a fan of fall. It's my favorite time of the year. So I have to say I was very excited when I got my FabFitFun box in the mail. It's a pretty big box this time around, so I'm excited to show you what I got inside, share my thoughts on the products, and I do want to say thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. So when you become a FabFitFun member, you get a customizable box with full-size products 4 times a year. You get to choose from all different categories. I love choosing beauty products, but they also have fashion, fitness, wellness. I also typically choose from the home decor category as well because they always have really cute things. If you love getting discounts, FabFitFun is also so nice because it's not just the customizable box that you get 4 times a year. They also have like members only discounts and flash sales. You can get up to 70% off amazing brands and products. They include so many good brands in the boxes and then also in their shop as well. And I love that FabFitFun gives members the option to actually swap their box for shop credit. The fall box is always one of my favorites, and this one did not disappoint. There were so many good products, it was hard to narrow it down and pick, but I actually got products from Summer Fridays, Glow Recipe, Cover FX, just to name a few. You can actually get 20% off your first box with a new seasonal membership. The fall box has a value of up to $300, and when you use my code andrea20, you can get your first box for $47.99, which is an amazing deal because there are products that are worth significantly more in the box. So I'll put a link in the description box below so you can check it out, and let's jump into it and I'll show you what I got. So the first thing I got is from Glow Recipe. Pretty much every Glow Recipe skincare product I've tried has been a hit for me. I really enjoy the brand, and this is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I was so excited to try this out because I recently tried the moisturizer and the lip balm from the same line. I just talked about them in a recent video, and they're really nice. Very hydrating, but also really lightweight. So whether you have dry skin, oily skin, or combo skin, I feel like this line could work really well for you. This product actually has a retail value of $45, which is almost as much as the cost of the box itself. I love the packaging, it's super cute, but of course the formula itself is really nice too. So I checked out the ingredients. This has hyaluronic acid, plum, vegan collagen, and then also silk proteins. And the ingredients work together to deeply hydrate the skin and also visibly plump it. Okay, so the first time I used this product was at night, and I did my skincare routine. I was washing my face and applying the serum, and then I went to bed, and the next morning when I woke up, I kind of forgot that I had applied this, and I just like went into the bathroom and looked in the mirror, and I was like, my skin looks so glowy and so smooth. This product made a visible difference like the first time I used it. And then of course my skin felt really, really hydrated too. And I do have combo skin these days. Like it leans a little bit more oily when it's super hot outside, but last fall and winter, it was so dry. So this product is nice right now, but I think once fall rolls around and my skin is even more dry, it's going to be such a good option because it definitely gives you like that beautiful glow. It's a pretty intense glow. So if you have very oily skin, you might be better off using this at night, but if you have really dry skin and use this in the morning, I think it will leave your skin looking super glowy all day and feeling really hydrated. The nice part about this product is such a little bit goes an extremely long way. I think I used a little bit too much the first time because I used like 1.5 pumps, but I really feel like 1 pump would be sufficient for your entire face. I'm enjoying this so far. I'm excited to keep incorporating it into my routine. And I love that they included Glow Recipe because that is more of an expensive skincare line I typically enjoy, but I don't always splurge on. The next product I got is actually one of my favorites. This actually went viral, and I feel like I hear people using this, or I hear people talking about it, and I see people using it all the time, especially on TikTok. So I was excited to grab it. It's the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. So I actually tried this out for the first time a few weeks ago, and I love the formula. I totally understand the hype. It's a very just like buttery soft melty lip balm. Like the second you apply it to the lips, it almost melts into the lips in such a nice way. It's incredibly soft, really glossy. I have it on today over a little bit of a lip liner, but I'll also show you what it looks like without any lip liner underneath. This product smells so good. It has like a light soft vanilla scent. I do have the shade, where did it go? I think it has the word vanilla in it. Yes, the shade is called Vanilla Beige. I feel like this is my perfect everyday nude. This is the type of product that I would reapply throughout the day. I love like a good hydrating glossy balm. I don't typically go for something that has a ton of color for like day-to-day wear. So this really is a favorite of mine. Honestly, there were so many good products this time around. Fall is always my favorite. They include so many cozy products. Like there was a blanket, there was a scarf, there were really luxurious feeling moisturizers for like the face and the body. There were hair products, all kinds of things. Usually I do stick within like the beauty category if possible because I love beauty products so much, but I actually chose something that's a little bit different. I got this adorable duffel bag from the brand Alice and Olivia. It's a good sized duffel bag. It's not too big and it's not too small. Like this is the perfect either overnight bag or a bag that I would bring with me if I was going to be gone all day and I needed things for like myself and my toddler. Something like this is just it's what's been missing for me. Whenever we go on like an overnight trip, I don't always want to bring like an entire giant suitcase with me. Sometimes you just don't need that much. And I think this is a really good size because you could definitely include like your clothes, your toiletries, everything you need in just this bag. There are also days where we leave the house in the morning, like as a family, and we're gone all day, whether we're going to like an amusement park or we're hanging out at like my sister's house or we go to my mom's house or we're just doing a lot. And when that's the case, like I always end up bringing 3 bags because I have my toddler's diaper bag, a bag for me with maybe like my computer, a change of clothes, like all kinds of things, and then like a snack bag, just a lot. I feel like when you have a toddler, you're just always bringing a lot with you. Even if you don't, like there are just always things you're running out the door and grabbing. So this is such a good size because I could throw all of our things in it. There are pockets. It really is just going to be such a practical staple for me and it's cute. So I love a good dry shampoo. I'm always up for trying a new one because dry shampoo is a staple part of my routine. I just don't want to wash my hair every single day. I don't have the time to wash it every day and style it. It takes a long time to blow dry and then heat style it. And I do like heat styling my hair. So anyway, I got this one from Vegamore. This is the Grow Dry Shampoo. I actually used it last night for the first time. I always like to test everything out before I film my video so I can share my initial thoughts on the products or a full review if I've had the chance to use them a few times. And here's how I know it worked. So I usually wash my hair every other day. I don't typically go 3 days. If I do, it either goes like right up in a bun or I'm just like at home not doing anything. So that's why I don't care if I don't wash it the third day. But typically it is like an every other day type of schedule for me. Yesterday we were at a wedding. It was like 85 degrees out and it was a hot day. I was doing makeup for the bridal party and then my son was in the wedding. So we got him ready and we were outside and again, just hot, very humid. My hair was looking a little rough by the end of the day when we got home last night. And I was like, let me try this out. So I sprayed it in my hair. I woke up this morning and my hair actually had way more volume today than it did last night. Because again, when it's super humid outside, I mean, I guess everyone kind of differs a little bit. I was talking about this with one of the bridesmaids. She said her hair gets like really big and really full if it's humid. Mine kind of goes flat. And last night when I got home, like it was flat, like basically stuck to my head. So anyway, I thought it'd be a good time to try it out. I sprayed this in my hair, and when I woke up this morning, my hair was really voluminous, and I felt like I could actually wear it down on the third day. So this really refreshed my hair. It gave it so much volume, which again, I think will be really nice even on days where I have clean hair if I just want to add like a touch of volume back in. And I'm impressed by this. It does leave a little bit of a white cast. A lot of dry shampoos do, but I think when you have dark hair, it's really noticeable. So my trick is to spray dry shampoo in my hair at night because then it gives it the time to really like soak in and work. And the next day when I wake up, my hair usually looks refreshed and the white cast is gone. Another trick, if you're in a hurry and you spray it on in the morning, but you still have that white cast, just kind of spray your roots with a blow dryer and it kind of helps the product blend in. It really does work well to leave your hair looking refreshed and looking really thick and full. On top of that, this product smells really nice. It has a citrus scent. It's not an overpowering scent, and this morning when I woke up, it was gone. Like it lingered a little bit, but it's not as intense as other dry shampoos I've tried. So if you are looking for like a nice light orangey citrus scent, I think you'll like this product too. Okay, the last beauty product I got is from CoverFX. So this is something that I really wanted when it initially launched a few years ago. I remember seeing it and going back and forth on it, like should I buy it, should I not? Ultimately, I skipped over it. So when I saw this was available, I jumped at the chance because when I saw it, I was like, I remember wanting that so much. It's the CoverFX Custom Enhancer Palette. It comes with 3 different highlighting shades. This formula is incredibly creamy. I would definitely agree with the buildable description, but these can look really intense very fast. So if you want a lighter, softer application, definitely go in with a super light hand. You can use these on the cheeks, you can use them as blush toppers, highlighters, or on on the eyes as well. So today on the eyes, I have the gold shade all over the lid. These give you like that intense, rich, creamy metallic look. They're very, very smooth, really beautiful. I think I'm going to love using these as eyeshadow because they're quick and easy to work with. You can just blend like a bronzer in the crease, some brown shadows, and then go in with the gold, and you have the perfect everyday look. I also use the center shade as an inner corner highlight just to add like a really bright, fun pop to the eyes. But this one is a little bit more like it's kind of sheer and sparkly compared to the other two that are a little bit more intense. So you could also tap this all over the lid for like a light sheer wash of sparkle too. The pink shade is gorgeous as a blush topper or as a highlighter. I think the gold and the pink are pretty similar in terms of formula. So I just went in with the gold today as a highlighter. I just used a really small amount because it is so hot outside. My skin is pretty oily, so I feel like I get really glowy within like an hour or two on my own. And this retails for $42. So again, pretty close to the cost of the box itself. I got some really good products that have a high retail value. Okay, the last product in here is from the brand Cuccio. It is the Botanicals Hand and Body Wash in the sandalwood and sage scent. So I actually got a cuticle oil from this brand in a FabFitFun box, I think maybe last fall or last winter, and I use it every time I do my nails. Honestly, I should probably use it every single day. It's just kind of in with my nail stuff, so I don't always use it every day, but my cuticles could probably use it today too. So anyway, I like that product so much, and when I saw there was something else from the brand available, I wanted to try it out. So this can be used in two different ways. You can just use it as a hand wash or as like a full-on body wash. It's a very, very lightweight formula. It's not overly hydrating, so if you have very dry skin, you might want something a little bit more intense. This is pretty lightweight, so I actually like using it as a hand wash. It's kind of like a calming, almost like spa-like scent, but it's not too intense. Like if you wash your hands with this, it's not like you're going to be smelling it all day long. It just kind of smells nice as you're washing your hands. So this is just a nice practical product that I'll probably end up using multiple times today, and I'm sure that I will use it up fully. So that's everything I got inside my fall box. Definitely one of my favorites. It was really hard to narrow it down because there were so many good choices this season. Like I said, a ton of cozy options, a lot of high-end skincare and makeup products, a ton of good home decor. It was really hard to pick, but I'm happy with the products I got. I would love to know what you end up choosing in your box, so let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, you can get 20% off your first box with a new seasonal membership. Use the code andrea20 and you can get your first box for only $47.99. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye.